Welcome back to One Crafty Ginger, formerly known as Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I thought I'd change up my name a little bit, make it a little bit easier for everybody to say and pronounce, and I thought it was kind of catchy. Let me know down below if you like the new name change. Also, Dougal says hello. So, anyway, here at my channel, if you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, thrift store flips, clearance finds, and some rescue dogs like little Dougal here, then you're in the right place. So today I have some super great ideas for a thrift store flip using a bird cage. I know, I have a bird cage problem, guys. I admit it. I just can't help myself. I see bird cages at the thrift store and I'm like, oh, I gotta have it. Anyway, I have some great ideas with what to do with one of the bird cages that I purchased. It has some holiday ideas, but don't click off if you're not a holiday person. I have winter ideas too. So I got you. You holiday, you do winter, whatever floats your boat. I got everybody covered. So we are all inclusive here on my channel. Anyway, a list of the supplies needed for the projects will be in the description box below. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It's completely free and it helps me out. And what else is free? Giving this girl a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps out my channel and it lets YouTube know that you enjoy my content. I appreciate you guys joining me today and thank you so much for sticking by me. I'm so sorry I haven't been around for a while. I suffer from migraines and I've had several over the last almost month. I've had multiple back-to-back ones and my medicine just isn't helping. So that's okay. I see my neurologist next week, so hopefully we can get on a new medication to get feeling better. But anyway, without further ado, let's get started. All right, for the first way we're going to do is we're going to take this bird cage that I got from my local thrift store for just a couple bucks. And the first way we're going to decorate it is we're going to use a little Christmas tree that I got from the Dollar Tree, but you can find them at Hobby Lobby and other places as well. You can also use either like this garland that I got from the Dollar Tree. You can use berry garland. You can even use some more of just like the the wired garland ties, whatever you want to do. I also got this really pretty ribbon from Walmart. It was $2.98. And there's also this really pretty ribbon that I got for $2.98 at Walmart as well. But there's options from the Dollar Tree. They have like this peppermint striped. They have black and red buffalo check, whichever you want to do. And for those of you that don't celebrate Christmas, like I said, don't worry, I got you. Our next way, I'm going to show you how to do this as a winter wonderland. So please stick around. So what we're going to do here is going to be so easy. This actually Birdcage opens up from the top, which is super cool. I'm going to put my little tree in there. And then I'm going to take this garland. And honestly, the most complicated part was unraveling this Pinecone garland from the Dollar Tree. It was kind of a pain in the rear. So I'm going to go ahead and move that out of the way. I want to take this garland and I want to wrap it up to make like a circle, like a little wreath kind of thing. I can get it unwrapped. Like I said, guys, this was like the most complicated part, was trying to unwrap this garland. It was a pain in the rear. So I'm going to take it with the smaller pieces and I'm just going to kind of wrap it around a few times. Till I get kind of like the size and shape that I want. And that's wire, so it's oh so much fun to work with. And then I don't want the big one, so I'm going to actually take my scissors. So you also need some scissors. And I'm just going to cut it off there. And then kind of work with it here a little bit more to get where I want it to be these little pine cones to face up. And then there's some gapping in between, so I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take some of this berry garland from the Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to interweave some of that in there to give it a little something extra here. So I'm just going to wrap the berry garland around and kind of work it around and in between until I get it where I want it to be. So I have my garland wrapped around, and I think it needs a little bit more oomph, so I'm going to take some of that wired garland from the Dollar Tree and layer it together. So I'm going to take my birdcage and I'm going to open it up and put the garland in there. And then I'm going to put my tree inside, which is super cute on its own, but we're going to up the cuteness factor by including some ribbon. Just going to take some ribbon here, and I want extra amounts in case I mess up, because we all know how Mercedes does with those. So I'm going to take the ribbon and string it through the top. And then tie it up to a bow. And this is wired ribbon, so you can kind of play with it as you like. And I'm going to cut it. And then I'm going to dovetail, and to dovetail, you fold the sides together and you cut up at an angle towards the fold from the corners. And it gives you this really pretty dovetail. So I'm just going to do that with both sides. Fold it and cut from the fold. Cut from the edges towards the fold at an angle. And then kind of play with that. And voila, look at how freaking adorable that is. Oh my goodness, guys, I just love it. All right, as promised, if Christmas is not your bag, baby, I got you. So you can just swap out the red berry garland for white, and you get this beautiful assortment here. So you take that, put it on the inside, put your tree in there. You put your tree in there. Oh, don't mind that. And then you can either use some burlap, which I got from the Dollar Tree. You could use buffalo check, which I got from the Dollar Tree, as your ribbon. It's really up to you. So we'll go ahead and give this one a go with the burlap so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So the same thing. Tie your bow. I say that like it's easy, but it's not. Try to get this here so you can see what I'm doing, y'all. So you can see what I'm doing. Here we go. That little burlap ribbon there. Oh my goodness. And then I'm going to dovetail this beautiful ribbon here. Like so. Fold it over. Cut towards the fold at an angle from the edges. And it's wired so you could play with it too. But, can you guys see? I'm trying to get it here so you could see it. Look at how cute that came out, and so perfect for winter. All right, and as promised, I'm giving you guys options on how we're going to do this bird cage. So here's an easy one. I'm going to swap out this tree for a battery-operated candle. And then, ta-da, you have another really pretty, easy centerpiece. Good for winter, all winter long. All right, here's another option for you holiday people. I have this mini wreath from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to put inside with my candle. Sorry if you hear the dogs howling. They want to go out. It's about that time. All you dog moms and dads out there know what I'm talking about. So I got my candle in there with my wreath. Working in there. Doesn't quite fit. There we go. And then I'm actually going to use this ribbon because I think it's prettier and it goes with the berries at the bottom. So the same concept, taking it through, tying my knot, tying my bow. Dovetailing it. We're dovetailing it. Cutting it here. And there she is. How beautiful is that with the faux candle and the wreath and the ribbon? Super easy to do and a beautiful for your centerpiece or to display for the holiday season. All right, before I let you guys go, I had to show you, I put the tree in with that mini wreath, and look at how adorable that is. Oh my goodness, I think that's the winner, guys. Let me know, comment down below. Let me know which way you liked the bird cage today.